NoChill.
Getting over this fucking class, baby. God damn.
Call Freestyle. Shout out Token.
Okay.
Gang.
Fuck Smigo.
You know it.
DJ Music K.
You know it.
Tell Diamond get at
You know it.
You're a bitch, you're a hoe, man, your style, get your own. Got them bitches in your home, still your mama shit then gone. I can't rap what I don't know, I can't rap what I don't know, I can't rap what I don't know, bitch, I can't rap what I don't know. Why do I feel the niggas is hoes? I'm sure for you niggas like you do your calls. A bitch in the back and her knees on rolls. Smigo a bitch, so let me alone. So thank you enjoy, I bring you the noise. So say do a baby, I bring you a toy. At your birth, your mama like this an ugly ass bitch. Show them love, now he tryna talk shit. Now I'm on like your bitch when she tryna get this dick. One call, then I order like a pizza in this bitch. 1 month, I subscribe Hulu package with your bitch. Bitch, very vicious, been them veins. I'm like Saul, get trapped with games. You play them games, but not these games. I feel like God when I give a order. Smigo a bitch, might be a reporter. My fuck on that bitch, they be birthing your daughter. If I get a total and they be a slaughter, my dog get the better with thinking he got her. What?
Gang.
Smigo.
Who the fuck is this nigga?
Me and that nigga that be using that basic ass flow.
Oh, that nigga.
And every beat. That nigga can't beat me on NoChill. Gang. Apples A, ate them apps, available animal aim in the axe. I'm done.
So,
Fuck Smigo.
fuck Smigo.
God damn.
DJ Music K.
Always
Fuck
add the
Diamond Solid. If you diss me and don't say my name, you a bitch.
Bitch.
Why you think I don't blame Diamond?
Don't blame you, bitch.
You're a bitch, you're a hoe, man, your style, get your own. Got them bitches in your home, still your mama shit then gone.